In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dashboard widget to track overdue tasks in monday.com. Open your browser, go to monday.com, and log in to your account. Once you're in, head to the workspace where you want this dashboard to live. This matters because the dashboard will connect to a board in that workspace and pull live data from it. In the left sidebar, look beside your workspace name and click the plus button. From the menu that opens, choose Dashboard. Now you'll be asked to name it. In the name field, type Overdue Tracker. Give that a moment on screen so the title is clearly entered. Then choose Main Dashboard as the visibility type. Next, you'll connect the board that contains the tasks you want to monitor. In the board selection window, click into the search field and type Project Tasks as the results appear. Find that board and click the checkbox next to it. Then click Done. A blank dashboard will open, and the connected board is now ready to feed information into your widgets. At the top left area of the dashboard, click Add Widget. From the widget list, choose Numbers. This adds a simple metric widget, which is perfect when you want one clear total that updates automatically. Now we'll configure it so it counts items instead of showing a column-based value. Go to the top right corner of the Numbers widget. Click the three-dot menu, and then choose Settings. In the Settings panel, switch the widget to Count mode rather than Columns mode. Under Choose Groups, make sure All Groups is selected. At this point, the widget should show the total number of items from the connected board. The last part is what makes this useful. We're going to filter that count so it only shows overdue tasks. At the top of the Numbers widget, click the funnel icon to open the filter options. If you see Quick Filters, click Switch to Advanced Filters at the bottom so you have full control. In the first filter row, open the column dropdown and select Due Date. Then open the condition dropdown and choose Past Dates. This tells monday.com to look only at tasks with the due date that has already passed. Now click Add New Filter to create a second rule. Set the logic to AND so both conditions must be true. In the new row, open the column dropdown and select Status. Then open the condition dropdown and choose Is Not. In the Value dropdown, select Done. Now your Numbers widget is counting only items with a past due date that are not marked Done, which gives you a clean overdue task total at a glance. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, this widget updates based on your board data, so as statuses and due dates change, your dashboard stays current without extra work. That makes it a simple way to keep overdue work visible for yourself or your team.